Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you how can you install Anki. Let's go. For first one, search in Google or you can just link how can you go to Anki. After go to Anki, you see this site. You can just click in download. You can check which one you want: Windows, Mac, Linux, iPhone or Android. For Windows, after come here, you have two choice, 64 or 32 bit. For check this one, you just first go to my computer or this PC. My computer in Windows 7 and this PC in Windows 8 and Windows 10. You can click right and properties. After that, you go to send my page and you can check system type. My system type here is 64 and my Windows is Windows Pro, Windows 10 Pro. Okay, after check this one, you can download, download which one you should be use in your Anki for your computer. After download, you can see just click in install and after finish, just close. Okay, after open your Anki, you see like this page. So if you the first one go to Anki, maybe you want to change your language. For change your language, you can just Control P or go to tools and click on preferences. Here first time is English. You can just change this one to your language. If you want to start with me Anki, it's better than for you just use English and don't change this one. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget subscribe and like, and if you have any question you can ask me. Bye bye.